You guys start this last 26 games like a half game out of the 8th spot, a game out of 7th spot. I mean, it goes on and on. It's very tight. What's the goal for this team going forward?
The goal is to make the playoffs in the best position we can. Like you said, it's very tight. So every game is a playoff game for us. Every game counts, and the schedule is not easy, but we can't have any excuse, and we're trying to make the playoffs.
3 of the next 4 against playoff teams. You get Golden State, Denver on the road. You get Houston back here. How do you guys try to meet that challenge going forward?
Those are playoff teams, and those are the teams that you might get once you win the playoffs. And so those are games that we need to win. And so it's going to be great it's a great challenge for us. It's going to be a great challenge to play against them.
Now the injuries that you guys have had, at all parts of the season, do you feel like, after the All-Star break, everyone's healthy, you guys are poised now to make this run to the playoffs?
We had a lot of injuries, like you said, but it's pretty amazing to me what the team has been able to do, even with all the injuries that we had. And so, now that we have everybody back but Patrick, we have no excuses, and like I said, we need to win games.